I, Odumegu, I will stand the test of time.
Leave us. Sometimes I wonder what makes you think you're different from the rest of the men. You have kept yourself on an empty stomach for a while now. No man keeps me silent, except the man wants to remain silent for the rest of his existence. I'll let that pass. I'll pretend I didn't notice that. I've kept you alive, and the purpose is now. Igwe Kadibo is sending his warriors to invade our great kingdom. He said we do not have men to defend this great kingdom. I want you to get me his head, and I will restate you as the chief warrior of this great kingdom. The warriors that will go with you, made available. And as a queen, I will reward you handsomely.
A husband to a murdered wife. A father to a murdered son. A warrior, and now a prisoner for the death of his father, the king. And now you feel I am important, and you want to reinstate me after performing all these tasks for you.
Even as a commoner, the oath you took as a warrior to defend this kingdom against its enemy, or your life be taken, still stands.
I guess it wants to rain. I can feel it.
It is your duty to carry out the task. And as a queen, I will reward you.
I don't need warriors from you. I don't need any reward from you. You were the queen.
Our warriors fled on the sight of the warriors of Okadibo. The warriors of Okadibo are actually about to invade our land. And there is only one person who can assist us to withstand the possibility of that invasion. Odumegu. He is the only one who can put fear in them. He is the only one who stands a chance of making them to turn and begin to go back to their land. He is the only one who stands a chance.
As we speak, Odumogu is not a free man.
I know.
If we engage him in this service and he goes and succeed, you and I know that he will come back a free man. What becomes our fate?
That is how it will be that we are going to use him and then dump him. Let us get him to do this for us first. And what you fear is going to be handled. Trust me. Odumegu can never become a free man. Trust me on that.
You say, ya gazienam, otutoma.
My daughter,
Nam, you have been sitting in front of your agwo since morning. I have prepared your food, so come and eat.
my joy knows no bound today. As an Upujilago, Ahapugago. The future we seek is here.
Nam.
My daughter.
Please. Barry Eromia, can you explain better? You know you are a man of words.
My daughter. You remember I told you that someday we will return to Akama. That future is here, staring before us.
May the gods be praised, Nam.
See?
And may our chi keep us to be alive and see that great day.
And so shall it be. No matter how high the bird may fly, the heart will always face the soil.
He said, Nam, you know you are a man of truth.
You see, truth and fact always sound similar, but serves different purposes. They don't serve same purpose. That is the reality of life. My daughter, you see, the queen created a toxic and unhealthy dynamic. She labeled him a traitor, claiming that he attempted to exert power over others. But in all this, it was simply a pretext. Yes. It was all her effort to prioritize her well-being, her selfish interests, a selfish purpose that would definitely lead to her end. One thing about life is, one may hide things from people, but can one actually hide things from the gods?
Not at all, Nam.
My daughter, the future we seek is here. And let me tell you, I can now eat. Odigoma.
He said, Nam, let me set your food.
Yes, that is the reality of life. One may deceive people, but can one deceive the gods? Ọ na-adịkwanụ mma ka ewepụ aka enwe n'ofe na gboo maka ọghọrọ aka mmadụ na ndị ekwere ekwe na-emecha kwete n'ute ekwele. Ọ dịgo mma. They never deceive the gods, no matter how smart they think.
What did he say?
He remains the same.
Well, as long as he is ready to embark on the journey, we do not need him to change.
He said he does not need any of our warriors. Can he go alone?
With or without them, we have to be expecting victory. But the main victory is when he is left without any breath on his chest.
I will have the guards to send him. His warriors are tired to set off, only for his return to give me sleepless nights.
I am going to set up a machinery of those that are going to attack him as he embarks on that journey. But my queen, I should be needing, some of the things, the basic thing that I need.
Speak no more. You have it.
I like the way you say it.
Speak no more.
I am
Thank you. Why are you afraid? I am the only one who can do this on you, and you know it.
My sweet husband.
Yeah?
You're welcome. How did the meeting go?
The meeting went well. He finally agreed to embark on the journey. You know, he is the only one who can put fear in them and end all of this.
My sweet husband, inasmuch I know this is good for the family, but he's an unpredictable man. What if he comes back and...
Can you not say that? What you don't know it. We are the ones who know his capabilities. The same fear you are entertaining is the same fear the queen was entertaining. But I need you to know something, that when the ekwe starts to sound so loud, we can always remind it rudely that we know the very tree from where it was carved.
But my husband...
Can you save the bet? Don't say that bet. I am the one in charge, and I will see to the end of this. Eh?
If you say so.
Why are you actually the one sweeping? Where is Sheta?
She went to the stream to fetch water with her friends.
Okay.
But my husband, this one you're looking at me this way. We were together last night. Or do you want...
Yes, we were together last night, but I am beginning to feel that you may have taken spiritual bath between that time and this time, and that is why I want to, you know, I am about to embark on a journey, so I need to have it so that I will not be distracted while on that journey.
My husband, okay, do you want it now or later?
Well, you are already sweeping. Just round off with this and come and meet me.
My sweetheart.
Yeah? My beautiful, my beautiful.
I'm coming, my husband.
Let's go back.
Only men who are men stand the test of time. I have come to take that which belongs to me.
see anything?
Nothing, my prince.
Are you sure you did not see anything? You did not see me looking at her bathing?
Chimo! My prince! You saw me! My prince, you saw me!
I saw everything. And it was pleasant to the eyes. So which of you will go inside with me now?
My prince, I won't.
Well, for you, not today. Maybe later in the night. But you that have seen.
My prince, you say?
I said not today for you. Maybe later in the night I can come for you. Eh? But you that have seen, let's go inside.
My prince,
hey.
You mean now?
Mother, not again. Why is my mother calling me?
Did he see me? Did he see you? He saw everything. Ha! Did he? I said everything. Are you not hearing me? Why would you even be that way? Did you not do that on purpose?
More.
Sit. Oh no, just sit.
Mother, I was.
What did you say you were doing?
No, I was.
Everything I'm doing is for you to be the next king of this kingdom. You're going to be the next king of this kingdom. And here you are behaving like a fool.
Mother, I know everything about this kingdom. It's on my head. But I wonder why you have not told the Onowu to crown me. I can handle this kingdom. Now let me shock you. I know you told Odumegu to go kill Igwe Okadigbo. Are you surprised? You want to know how I knew about it? Igwe Okadigbo will die very soon. And I hope when he dies, Onowu will crown me the king.
Leave!
Why are you looking at me like that? As if I took what belonged to you. What did I do?
I will show them that I am a man of super strength. Onoche, I am not a weakling at all. I will show them. Onoche is a man of super strength. Are you set?
Prince.
Just go. I will see you later.
My prince.
Go, I will see you later.
Come so I can go and attend to other things that I've been trying to do.
You are set, eh? You have not removed your dress and you're calling me. Why?
Please, please, don't do that. Don't do that. Your father was my good friend. My face is the last you will see. And my sword is my judgment. No reincarnation for whoever feels it.
Adago. I see no sisi kuchinu uza adago. Na go chinti na agesu. Hey, kai kulie kode. Ise. Akama greatest enemy has fallen. Odumegu. Oke mwaka ebo. Ogumwa bobu nike. Ndilo. You have served Igbo Kadibo food with the same plate he served your late father. The gods will always be ahead of mortals. As in onye buluchi auzo, obabwo no onwe ye no so. This is a decoy by the gods for those who think they have it all. They will definitely face the same fate they served others. Nkwa mmadu kwelo mmadu bụ nkwa okwelo onwe ya. Omezugo.
My very good friend, Ono of Akama. You're welcome.
Mbume. Okala mmadu okala mmụọ. My friend, you are still exactly the same person the people say you are. Unchangeable. I am just wondering
why I have refused to start living like a mere mortal. Should a snake stop moving like a snake? Because if it does, children will mistake it for a rope. He will go and he will return to Akama.
Listen, woman, I am in a hurry. I just finished arranging the machineries that will stop him. I actually came to know.
Good that you remember to be here. Your instincts led you right. As I said before the death of Okaka, the last time you came, do not kill him because of this mission he has embarked on. He will kill Okadigbo and return because he has a hand in the death of Igwe Okaka of Akama, his father. The machinery you put in place are no match for him. Okay, the queen heeded to my advice by going back to Igwe Okadigbo, who is a lover, for guidance on how to rule, forgetting that Igwe Okadigbo wants Akama by all means. But that is not why we are here. Ikenga is the backbone of Odumegu and is the strength of all his strengths.
Ikenga, the chief priest who got missing?
He fled Akama. He's not missing. The guards you sent to kill him delayed. He left his house with his daughter before they arrived. And they met just his wife. They killed the wife. As I speak with you, Ikenga is currently living in Uruokwe. I will give you a substance you will use to blind the eyes of his deity. And it will reduce his strength for him to empower Odumegu.
Why should we follow that route? As we have confirmed that Ikenga is alive and that he's going to be a problem. I know you. Kill him from here.
Killing Ikenga is like dancing the dance of Surugede. Ikenga is of the gods. Hurry. Hurry before Odumegu gets to Akama. Hurry, Ono.
Okay, give me what you want to give me.
I've been waiting here since. My prince, I've searched everywhere. I did not see her. I think that guy is stupid. She asked us to come here when she knows she's not around. What is this? Wait, are you sure she told us to come here?
My prince, you know I will not lie to you. She have been meeting us here for a very long time, and we have been meeting her here for a while. I guess she's not at home. Maybe we should still wait a while. I suggest we should wait.
We should wait.
How long do you wish to cover your evil? You move with pride.
Greetings, Daughter of Ono. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Is your father back?
Not yet before I left the house. My prince, my mother sent me an errand. Stay safe, my prince.
You know, that maiden is a beautiful maiden of this kingdom. And my mother told me something. I should behave like a king when I'm talking to my subjects. And I don't know, with what you saw now, did I behave like a king to her? Did I behave well? Did I behave like a king now to her? Tell me.
Yes, my prince.
Are you sure?
Yes, my prince. Oh, my prince, what is it? What was it?
I told the maidens to stop adding too much pepper in my food. Now they add too much pepper. I'm having a running stomach now. I need to defecate.
My prince, it will not look good for you to defecate here. And as a king, you cannot defecate publicly.
I'm not saying I'm going to defecate publicly. I need to go inside the bush where it's not public to defecate.
How long do you wish to cover your evil? You move with pride, wanting everyone under your feet. Oh, you don't mind to take a life. Oh, all because of power.
We could have ended this fight for me. But no problem. I must find somebody who will direct me to Kanga.
My prince!
I did not say anything. Before I could say it, you already closed it.
Don't you know I'm a married woman? Eh? What were you even looking at for the first place?
I said I did not say anything.
You did not say anything. You did not see anything. That is how you're walking up and down.
Oh, oh, you kill me! I've killed my father. You want to still kill me? Oh, my father! You want to still kill me? You want to kill my father?
Father, I saw Ono. He's in this village. I do not know what brought him. Father, are you sure we are safe?
Go inside the hut. Do not step out until I ask you to do so.
Father, are you sure we are safe?
Step in and remain there.
No one should hear of this. Else!
I won't. Go.
My prince, are you done?
Yes. Are you perceiving any odor?
Yes, my prince.
Hey, I forgot to clean up because of that woman. Hey, shut up your mouth. You will stop following me now because of this nonsense. I'm your prince, so any odor you perceive, you take it like that. Hey, shut up. Let me go and clean up.
Okay.
You have to return to the very place you came from. His home is not far from tall Udara tree.
Listen, I am talking about my brother here. His name is Etiko.
I know him. He came to Urokwe with his daughter after the death of Igbo Kaka of Akama. Was he not the chief priest of Akama?
You know him. You know him very well. Thank you. Thank you, Kambejebe. Dalo.
You're very, very stupid. Eh? What gave you the infantry to do that which you did? Eh? Do you know that I'm the man of the house? Do you know that? Eh? Are you okay? Eh? Do you want me to...
Stop! Hey, stop it. Is this how you treat your wife?
My prince, this woman here is very lazy and she's annoying. No man can stay with her.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Woman, come with me. I will take care of you. Go.
My prince, is that what you want to do? She's my wife. I paid her bride price. My prince, what do you want to do?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm taking her to my chambers where she will be happy and I will take good care of her. I will treat her like a queen. Let's go.
But my prince, he's still my husband. I want...
The gods sent me to rescue you. Do you mean what the gods are doing is bad? Let's go.
No, my prince!
Come.
My prince!
This place is not looking like a residential area. All I see are farmlands.
back to where you're coming from. His house is by the Odala tree.
I don't understand. Is it that you don't want to help me? That is where I am coming from. By the Odala tree, there is no house there. What I saw there was farmland.
I'm on my way to somewhere. I've told you what to do.
What is going on? Is it that I don't know Odala tree again? There's no house there. Okay, I should just try again. You will keep looking until you lose your sight. Good thing that I'm seeing you. I want to ask for direction to my brother Ikenga. Why does it appear as if they are all working together? Or is it that they have actually held a meeting to discuss me, that nobody should help me? Why is it that nobody is willing to help? What is going on? What exactly is going on? Hey, I still believe there must be somebody who can do it. They are just making fool of me. They know his house. And they have refused to give me proper direction. What will I do?
It doesn't matter how long your evil will last. Oh. It doesn't matter how long you keep people in the dark. Oh. A time shall come. A day shall come. Oh.
Should I ask her to see if she can direct me to the right way of getting Ikenga's house? But does it mean they know why I am here? Why I am looking for his house? For them to be turning me like this? What is going on? I am actually very confused.
My prince.
I told you I will take care of you. This is just the beginning.
My prince.
Yes.
May the gods bless you and make you a better king.
Oh, I'm already a king, as you can see. It's just remaining my coronation. And once I'm crowned, you will be one of my queen.
One of your queen?
Yes.
Me? Hey! What about my husband?
Oh, let us just be doing. Or don't you want to give birth to a royal child? So, let us go into the compound. This is one of my out chambers. Let's go. Come on.
You move with pride, wanting everyone under your feet, oh. You don't mind to take a life, oh. All because of power.
Akadibo, you deceived me. What if he told him how we plan to kill his father? What? What? What if all the machineries could not stop him? Nana do not know the outcome of his journey. What is keeping Onowo? He ought to have been here by now. What is keeping him? He ought to have been here by now.
Nam. He stood there staring, but he seems lost and confused. I do not know what is wrong with him.
His eyes were open. He thought he was seeing, but he was blinded.
The eyes of the gods. The only man that speaks the truth and hears from the gods directly. Nam, what do you mean? I do not understand what you mean by that.
It is never right to waste the blood of an innocent person. That singular act of theirs will continue to haunt them until they will all end up like what they did. Do not be troubled, my daughter, and fear not. Akama will welcome us soonest.
Ise, so shall it be. Nam,
my daughter.
Ogara gide. Otu onye na-akpọ ofu ugboro, ọzọ ugboro 10.
It is the God's doing.
Nam, what would you want me to get for you?
I need to drink palm wine. Go in there and get me palm wine to drink.
Okay. I will do that now.
Yes. Hey. Anagwo onele. Anagwo onele.
Onowu, what each time has come cannot be reversed. Your queen went back to the father of her son to seek protection. What has the protection brought?
Well, she felt that
I told you here that he who wants the throne claps more at the news of the death of Igwe Okaka. You must not let Okadigbo close to the kingdom until your prince is fully crowned. You must leave your kingdom. Because the anger of Odumegwu is more than thunder.
Leave my kingdom? I don't even know how you can say that. Are you no longer Mpume? Mpume that can handle anything at all. There must be a way out. There must be something that you can do to prevent this from happening. Yeah, because we cannot just relax and watch this happen.
There is only one way.
What is that one way?
Wanyanyanasa.
Wanyanyanasa. What about her?
She is the one that will guide you on how to awaken Ogunabali.
Ogunabali?
The ancient warrior who does not die? The one who feeds on flesh and blood?
That is your only option. Or you go home and face the anger of Odumego.
I don't want do you know what? How do I see Manyanyarasa?
I will speak with my
Mother.
Honor.
Get out. I do not have your time. I have better things to do.
Onoche, stay back. I called you. This man here said you took his wife from him. Why would you do something like that?
Oh, Mother. He told you what I did. Did he tell you what he did? Mother, I saw this man beating up his wife at the roadside. Two of us. Mother, as the incoming king of this kingdom, Akama kingdom, I cannot allow my subjects to be maltreated. I have better things to do, Mother. Let me get going.
My queen, you heard what my son said. I will send for your wife. And if she confirms that what my son said is true, your punishment will be very painful. Leave my sight. Okay, my queen.
Obim.
Okay, Zie.
Obim. Obim, where are you going with your clothes? Why are you doing this to me?
Okay, Zie. Okay, Zie, I've had enough of your beating. Please, thank the gods the prince saw us. You got me pregnant and you made me lose the pregnancy by beating. Okay, Zie, since I've been living with you, why have you refused to go and pay my bride price? Why? That you went for introduction and my father said I should follow you because I was pregnant. Does that make me your wife? Answer me. Does that make me your wife? Because you know you did not marry me properly, you keep on torturing me. Hey, okay, Zie. I am going back now to my parents' house as a single maiden to know if any better man will come for my hand in marriage.
No, my love. Please, let's go home. Please, my love, let's go home.
Hey.
Yes.
In 1 minute, get lost. I say you should run.
She's my wife.
I say you should run.
She's my wife, oh.
What kept both of you?
My prince.
Yes.
The husband came begging and...
He is not my husband. He did not pay my bride price.
Let's go. He's just a fool. Come on. I told you I would take care of you.
Please, do not be mad at me for invading your privacy. I have come with a proposal.
Proposal?
Yes.
What is the proposal about?
I know you, and I know your son. I know what he can do. there is a problem we have in our land. And I know he is the one who can help me. So I need you to direct me to your son, and I will brief him on the proposal.
Talk to me. I am the one who will direct him on what to do.
I told you two to be coming at the same time. You are going inside with me now. Hmm? I do not.
Both of you should get out. Are you not in? What are you still doing? Onoche, what is the meaning of this? Why are you constituting nuisance in the palace? Oh, stand up! Are you mad?
Mother, this is my personal life. I am a prince and the maidens, they love...
They love what? They love what? What are you doing? Eh? If you want a woman, why don't you get a wife? Why don't you get married? That is an honorable thing to do. You can take one of these maidens as a wife, so that I can stop having this complaint from our subjects and female servants.
Thank you, Mother. Very soon I will make you proud. I will get one of the maidens pregnant. That means...
What did I just hear you say?
You just told me to get married, and I will start working towards it from now.
By getting one of them pregnant, right?
That is an honorable and it's a responsible thing to do. Yes, I will get one pregnant. I will give you grandchildren, and you will still have a daughter-in-law. It's good. Eh, Mother?
Mother, just get out. As usual. Get out.
I'm getting out. Yes, this is beautiful sights to behold. Say, both of you, follow me. Let's go inside, okay? Come on.
My priest, permit me to ask, is it true?
What is true? What do you want to know? Tell me.
My prince,
Yes.
we heard that you now have an outside chamber where you take other maidens to. Is it true?
But how is that your business? How is it your business? Let us go inside and enjoy ourselves. Eh? Follow me, let's go. Beautiful maidens. Go, come. What is this? Let us go.
I want the three of you already at it to take care of the prince. He has high sexual libido. I want you people to satisfy his sexual urge. You should take turns with him from morning to the next morning until he gets satisfied. And you, if I ever hear that the prince goes out of this palace to go and look for a maiden, I'll severely punish you. It's good you're here. These maidens are for you. They will give you happy ending. They will touch you the way you want it. If these maidens are not enough, I am going to add more. You have high sexual libido. Their duty is to satisfy you and give you the sexual satisfaction you need and desire.
Mother, what is the meaning of this?
And this instruction can never be violated. They will maintain it until you finally find a wife of your choice.
Mother, what is the meaning of this? Did I ask for your assistance?
If you talk to me like that, I will have your head severed off your neck. Are you mad? The work starts in earnest.
Yes.
Take him to the chambers and start your work.
Yes. Mother.
Let's go. This is a palace work. Who asked you to laugh? Go on with the work.
Wait. Let's go. Mother. Let's go.
You think I'm playing with you?
I told him about Ogunabali, but I did not tell him about the helper.
Father, you and I know that no mortal can kill Ogunabali. Yet, the gods want him to go. How can the helper kill Ogunabali?
The helper is a maiden. That maiden will wear the crown as the queen of Akama Kingdom. That same maiden...
Father, is this not connected to the dream I told you I had? I saw myself wielding a sword to kill a beast, and I was crowned the queen. Father,
the maiden I know was prepared by the gods. The sword of that maiden shall be water, because only the water gotten from the Nzam River can weaken Ogunabali. And then he can be killed by a warrior who is fast with a sword.
and what if the helper is not sent?
The gods does not go back on their words. Do not trouble your mind and face your fear when the time comes. If you must wear the crown, be ready to bear the pains.
How long do you wish to cover your evil?
Mom, you're welcome.
Cheta, how are you?
Father, I'm fine.
Well, I don't know where you are going, but you have to go back and tell your mother that I am back.
Okay,
and that I will soon be coming back. I want to go to the palace and see the queen first.
Okay, fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. My father is on his way to the palace.
That is a good news. Where are you going to?
I'm going back to the house, my prince.
Okay, go on.
All right.
Come on.
It doesn't matter how long your evil will last.
Men stand the test of time. The greatest pride of any man is to die honorably. I know you, Ogunabali.
If he succeeds in killing him and succeeds in killing the mercenaries, he will never succeed in neutralizing Ogunabali. It's not possible.
It's
Ogunabali, the ancient dreaded warrior who does not die, very heartless warrior. I met the mother, and she actually brought the son. We discussed. In fact, I shook his hand.
the mother briefed him on exactly what I want him to do. In fact, she cooked for me. I don't know why you are looking at me like that.
Do you know the kind of covenant we have put this kingdom into? Obunabali.
Is there a problem? What exactly is the problem?
Can you just shut up?
Riverman, where do you have a problem? Is it in Obunabali or is it the food?
Can you shut up?
Sorry.
My husband.
My beautiful wife.
The Onowu of Akama Kingdom. You are welcome, my husband.
You say the best of things.
My husband.
Yeah?
The gods have found favor in this household.
The gods are always with us in this family. You should know that.
Yes, my husband. But the favor is too much that I don't know how to explain it. My husband, where do I start from? Well, first of all, you need to eat, relax, and then later we'll discuss about
Please, the food can wait. I need to know. What is this favor that the gods are bringing to my family?
My husband, you know about it, and you will see it too. Cheta told me you went to the palace.
Yes. Do you have a problem with that?
My husband, I have prepared your favorite meal. But first of all, would you like to eat this? Or the
I am going to eat all of them. But first, tell me this particular favor the gods are bringing to my family.
I am coming, my husband. My husband, the favor of the gods.
Ma'am, you're welcome.
Abomination.
Hey! What? Don't you know it's an abomination to use this on the prince? I am the prince, and very soon I will be the king. I will banish you.
But my husband, the king.
Oh, yes, stop speaking abominable words. You're still standing here.
Let me...
No, you're still standing here.
Don't touch me. I am the king to stand here. I must punish you. I must punish you. I will do
My husband, Nai! What's happening?
Mama, why is Papa angry with the prince now? Hope this is not going to make him to change his mind though.
Very soon you start going to the palace to see the prince.
Hi. Mama, are you sure? Mama, are you sure? Are you sure?
No, but it's not the way your father behaves sometimes, my daughter.
Mother! Mother! Mother!
What is it? What is after him?
I actually came here because I wanted to see you. If not for the respect I have for you and the royal family. Oh, what I would have done today. Oh.
What is it? What happened?
I came back to my compound. And the welcome that received me was the prince. Coming out from my heart with Sheta, my daughter. My own heart. Why must it be my heart? Why?
Doing what?
Mother Cheta likes me and I like her too. We love each other. We like each other, mother.
Can you hear? Can you hear the rubbish that he's saying?
Oh no, calm down. You know him. You don't know Onoche again. He is like a son to you. Besides, you are his personal advisor.
Well, I even know.
So allow this to go. If it comes out well, it will be good for the kingdom. It will be a good thing for and it will favor us. That's the most important thing. It's not too bad. They like each other. That is the point.
Mother, we have not even started anything before he came in. We wanted to start something because we saw him and we respected him. That was why we came out. Mother, what we did not finish in Onowo's house, we'll finish it here. I will send my guards.
Shut up. Ewu. No, go and bring her. Naked her, drag her around the kingdom to do your nonsense. And you, I thought you were a guard. Why are you so foolish? Eh? Stupid idiot. Maybe you guard him when he's sleeping with a woman. And more fear. Oh,
are you foolish?
My prince.
Are you foolish?
My prince, am I foolish?
You are foolish. Go outside.
Please untie me.
Ayara na-eziche nwata ozi vunye nnu rakwasị ya mmiri maka na asị na onye nna ya ziri ori na-eji ọkpa gbawa mgbo. They must not be defeated. Mbanụ. They must not be defeated. Gods of my ancestors, unu ga-afụzi anyị gbanwee. Your words cannot change now. Not now, not ever. It has never changed. This very evil must end in him. It must surely end in him. Many village we malunu maka na onye na-akpọ nwere ife ọ na-eme. Asị m na onye na-akpọ nwere ife ọ na-eme. N'olu oko n'elu.
Beautiful wife of mine. Why are you here crying?
My husband, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
I am worried that something may go wrong. I'm worried, my husband.
Worried about? I don't understand. Worried about what?
That something may go wrong.
Why must you even think that? I am the one who is in charge of this planning, and I am telling you that we have seed everywhere. There will be no loopholes. It is going to be a success.
My husband, are you sure? Because I am worried though.
I am not just sure. I am very sure. Nothing will go wrong. Could this be why you are here crying? Come on, stop. Stop. Don't disappoint me. You're married to a warrior. You are married to the Onowu, strong man. You have to be strong yourself. Come. Come, let's go. Ha! What did you start?
You will leave the house and come here crying.
It is imperative we begin to organize the kingdom. As our main enemy has been taken care of, according to what you said earlier, he cannot come back alive.
Ubunabane is going to feast on him. I am very sure of that. All the people that are declared missing in this kingdom and even beyond were all eaten by him. We can comfortably start saying it boldly that Odumewu is dead.
In that case, we need to organize the chiefs. Cabinet meeting needs to resume in earnest because issues concerning the kingdom needs to be discussed. Why that look on your face?
Is it that you are not aware?
Aware of what?
All the cabinet members fled from this kingdom to other kingdoms around here at the heat of the issue. They are no longer living here. I am not just the Onowu as we speak. I am equally the cabinet.
So what are you saying?
It is not about what I am saying. It is about what I am thinking.
What are you thinking?
What I am thinking is that we should find a way, just like you said, to organize this kingdom. And that means we are going to get some of these men that actually fled, those of them that are still interested. We find a way to bring them back to see how we can make the kingdom normal again. But the most important is for us to discuss the issue of the chief priest.
Ikenga has to die. Yes, he needs to die. He cannot come back. Because if he eventually comes back, everything we have labored for will be in vain. You need to get someone that take up the position of the Ikenga as a new chief priest. Because only the chief priest can crown Onochie as a new king.
You have a point. And I understand exactly what you are saying and where you are coming from. But there is something I've been meaning to discuss with you.
If Onochie is the true son of Okaka.
How did you know?
I know you know. And I know you know he cannot become king. Ono will marry me.
Is he?
Yes, marry me and give me a son that will rule after us. We're still in power. We can do things for the kingdom to move forward.
Yeah.
And we need to get a chief priest. Because only the chief priest can crown Onochie as a new king. Do I look funny to you? I am not laughing.
Yeah, I am not laughing. Eh?
So stop laughing and do the doing.
I am doing the doing.
Stop it. Stop!
My win.
You came to me seeking for my help, and I gave out my son. You killed him. You made my son to leave me soon. My anger shall be your visitor. You killed my son. I will feed on your flesh.
What was the meaning of that dream? My night was without sleep, and the little I slept, the dream. Who is that woman? From her body, she does not look like Odumegu's mother. What was she talking about? Who saw what she talking about? How come I was calling Nunu and my son?
Greetings, my queen.
Are you done?
Yes, my queen, I'm done.
You can leave.
Thank you, my queen.
Who is that woman? Who is she?
If you must wear the crown, you must feel the pain. Welcome. Welcome back, my daughter. Hand over the calabash to me. You may go in. Hey! Papa agugu zagugu onu. Okite. Negala mbani. Makwa n'aka mela azụ oji wee gba nkọlọnkọ. Ifuru ife akwụrụ ka esi wee dobie.
Thank you. How are you today?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Where is she?
She went out with her friends.
I want to There is fire on the mountain. But let me rest first. Hey.
My husband.
Eh?
I know you just returned from a long journey, and I know you missed me too.
Of course.
So what would you like to eat? Is it this? Or the food?
You will agree with me. It is energy that the flutist will rely on to be able to blow the flute. I know you know what that means. Let me eat the food that is served in the plate first, and then I will have the energy to eat the other food.
My husband.
Eh?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
I trust you.
I'm coming.
Hey.
I do not want a repeat of what happened.
Yes, my queen.
I do not want to hear it again.
Yes, my queen.
Obiago! He's back. He's back. And the villagers are welcoming him with a standing ovation.
Who is back?
Odumegu is back. Odumegu is back. You told me we will not come back, mother.
Leave us. wonder if you have any sense at all in your head. How can you be saying something like that before your subjects? Do you know who is against you?
Mother, it's a slip of the tongue. But I know myself. And they cannot go outside and say what I said. If they try it, I will deal with them. Especially the maidens. I will deal with them. Mother, but you told me Odumegu will not come back. Why is he back?
There's a problem. That's what Onowu said. There's a problem.
Mother, you said there is a problem. You said there is a problem. Mother, I will go into my chambers to hide myself till the problem is over. Then I will come out. Let me go into my chambers. I can't fight now. See, Mother, I'm going inside my chambers, but I need a maiden to stay with me. You understand, Mother?
Are you out of your mind or what? Sometimes I wonder if you are your father's blood. If truly you're his son. Because your father, I know, is a man that when confronted with a problem like this, he will face it like a man, head on. But here you are, worse than a cripple.
Mother, you are calling me a cripple. Remember, there is an adage that says a cripple does not lose his life in a word that is announced. It's better I go inside and hide myself. I'm the next king of this kingdom. I can't my kingdom. If I die now, there won't be any king again.
Leave my son.
I will leave, Mother. Let me leave. Mother, remember, I need a maiden that we can stay in my hut together. Please, Mother. A maiden, okay? I'm the next king.
He does not behave like him. I know he got me pregnant. I did it to have a strong man as a son. But here I am. A female child is even better off than him. But can it be that Okadibo was as useless as he is when he was growing up? No. What other changes will I be expecting from an adult like Onochie? He's better used for a sacrifice than being worthless to me.
You will love it, my husband.
Mama! Mama, Odumegu is back.
Why are you running following me?
Why are you running?
So you don't even know why I ran and you followed me?
Yes, Cheta, be ready to run. Anywhere your father goes, we are going with him. No, you are welcome. But why are you people running? Ask your father.
So had it been I ran into danger, you would have run into danger yourself?
If you run, we will run with you. So Cheta, be ready to run.
Nne, it is said, follow your parents anywhere. And I'm ready to run. Anytime, anytime.
But now you see what you have caused. When I told you to tread with caution, you refused to listen to my advice. You were busy following the queen. Just imagine the life we will start to live now in our own kingdom. Just imagine what you have brought upon us. Now you need to explain to us if you have another thing going on with you and the queen. You see what desperation has brought upon us now.
Stop it right there. You're not going to blame me. What I did was that I made a plan. There's no perfect plan anywhere. In fact, you know what? I am not running again.
Wherever your father goes, we are going to run with him. So if he moves, you move with him. Have you heard me? What is wrong with your father?
Hello!
The villagers making noise. People should come back.
It's Odumogu.
Odumogu? What about him?
He dropped a bag in front of the palace. He said the bag is for you.
A bag?
Yes, my queen.
Go and bring it.
Wakana. Wakana.
Odumogu, the greatest warrior of our time. I'm so happy to see you.
Fear not. You survived.
Yes, with few others. We fled when we heard about your capture by warriors of Her Majesty. We camped at the boundary and have been serving as a messenger to your loyalists, waiting to hear on your command or death. The others will be delighted to hear that you are still alive.
Is Ugonabo still alive? Go and tell them to get ready for my return. I need to bring back those that fled. You will hear my signal.
Yes. But my lord, if you must know, she has brought warriors from Atar land to guard the palace. They still lay wait at the bush of Indida.
So she came prepared, but we will stand the test of time. We will unleash hell in honor of those warriors that died fighting for this land. And to those that were murdered, innocent ones that were murdered, do not sleep nor slumber. Go! Go!
This is the back.
What does this say?
Nothing, my queen.
You can go.
Amara, you're looking more beautiful than the last time we met.
Thank you so much for the compliment. I thank the gods of our land for keeping you to restore the joy of our kingdom once again.
You see, good people like you have good wishes for good things.
Thank you. I am so sorry for the loss of your son and your wife.
Thank you. I'm also sorry for the loss of your mother. As for me, the gods will not keep me lonely.
Every man deserves a good woman beside him. And as for you, our awaiting king, you deserve a good woman, a queen, who will help you restore the peace and the joy you once lost from your loved ones.
Until I'm lowered to my grave, my revenge will know no bounds.
Kenga. My eyes have behold a new dawn. Odumogu, the true son of Leti Bokaka of Akama Kingdom. The only warrior that the enemies tremble at his sight. Eh? The only man in Akama that does what others cannot do. The only man that the gods kept for the future of Akama Kingdom. The only man that does wonders when he is at the war front. I am so happy that you are here today because I know that Miriam Malopoya so.
Thank you. All you've told me have come to fulfillment. My being caged, the death of Okadibo, death of my father, and the battle with Ubunabali. Only one thing is left to reality.
Odumewu, the throne of Akama Kingdom awaits you. Your enemies, other kingdoms, they are shocked because of your defeat over Ubunabali, the dreaded ancient beast that no man ever tried to kill. But you destroyed Ubunabali.
And that is why I've traced you back to Urukwe, to unravel the mysteries behind the Max Maiden that aided me to defeat Ubunabali. And I'm taking you back home to assume your position as the chief priest, because my coronation cannot be done without the approval of the gods.
Odumewu, son of a late Igbo Okaka of Akama Kingdom. All you seek, you will get answers once we get to Akama Kingdom. Seeing you here, I know and I am sure that Akama here will come.
Ikenga, those 3 men that were sent after you, that killed your wife, I have killed them. And as for Onowu and the queen, they will decide their death.
May the wishes of the gods come to reality.
We shall prepare. I told her when I came here, I told her she's looking more beautiful than the last time we met.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Amara.
My queen, the best way I can put it is that there is trouble. Ezimo Sobude. What is it?
I just heard you say the chief warrior that was appointed by my mother has been killed by Odumegu and his lieutenants. That means we are going to be killed. I'm going to the next kingdom to seek refuge.
So where are you running to go and take refuge? Go back to the hut.
My queen, anywhere is safe for him. He can find refuge anywhere.
No. What does it look as if you're trying to run off to?
I don't know why you're still calling me the no. After everything that is going on. Calling me that no actually puts fear in my heart. And as for running off...
I'm waiting, mother. Delays.
Calm down first.
Why are you coming here?
Where do you know you're running to? You don't know whether the road you're running through is where he is. Why don't you calm down? Wait, let's know where he is before you make any move. Why are you trying to be stupid or something?
Mother.
Your mother is capable of handling everything. Whatever it is, I am here, I can handle it. You don't have sense or what? Go back to the hut.
No problem, mother.
Are you coming down?
That is why I like listening to your advice. I thought my hut is not safe. In fact, my hut is not safe. Hearing about this killing, I still know it's not safe too. But because of the advice you just gave me now, I think it's half safe. Huh? Let me go back inside.
Go there. What is your problem? Why are you this lily-livered? You just heard them chanting a war song and all that. Is that why you're panicking?
No.
Where are you trying to run?
I am not panicking. It's actually my stomach that is panicking. I am having a running stomach. My stomach is the one that is running. If you wouldn't mind, let me just go home and free my stomach.
Unowu is such a coward. Unowu will just speak for nothing. Ufuru. Agidi. Ha! I never knew he's such a coward. Look at the way he's running like a child, a woman. I am not going anywhere. I will stay here and see the end. And the end will not see me.
It feels good to be back. I have really missed you. Now, there is so much work to be done.
That is true.
Ikenga, you need a helping hand to clean up this compound.
You are right. But I think it is time to give that response which you desire to know concerning the question of the masked maiden that helped you to defeat Obunabale.
Who is she?
She has been with you. You know her. Asina kala kana rimbulo. Ifonye lulogu ya brosa. Ana akponu na ekena akponu no ye na akponu na afana akponu na kwako unu zalaza no ya zalaza ekwego. Asina ifonye lulogu ya brosa.
I am ready.
Yeah. Ifonye lulogu ya brosa. Ifonye lulogu ya brosa. Na jana bisije. Asina aju ife na-eme n'iru na ọma afụ gị. Ọ na-eme n'azụ na ọma afụ gị. Ọ mee n'aka nri na ọma afụ gị. Ọ mee n'aka ekpe na ọma afụ gị. Have this calabash. This very calabash is your sword. You must not allow fear to have grip of you. No fear shall come inside you. You must not fear anything until you conquer that fear. This very task, you must go. Both of you must have victory, for this is the wish of the gods. Both of you shall rule the kingdom together. Through this route, you shall go, and through this same route, you shall return alive. You can go now. Make haste. Do not look back. Exchange words with no one. The gods will lead you and bring you back. Both of you shall have victory.
father once told me, what is not from Ikenga is not for the kingdom. What else? Who am I when the gods have given me a helping hand to rule this kingdom? I will forever remain grateful to you and your household.
You are welcome. You are welcome. It is the wish of the gods. Before you were born, the gods already knew about your purpose of existence and they had it prepared. It is only those who heed the voice of their ancestors that walk like a sheep without a shepherd.
Interesting. Anyway, most of our people that have heard about my victory, they are willing to return back home. I met them on my way to Akama before returning to Urokwe.
Good.
They want me to assure them of their safety back home.
Bring them back.
And I'm going to go back and bring them back home.
Good. Good, I think.
They are across our border.
You can go. You can go.
Wanting everyone under your feet, oh. You don't mind to take your life, oh. All because of power.
Amara, we have a lot to discuss. I'll be back home. Come, let's help your father.
Not been home for some time now.
I have to go inside.
Okay, I'm always here for you.
I'll be back.
It doesn't matter how long your evil will last. Oh. It doesn't matter how long.
Oh no!
You keep people in
oh,
the
no.
dark. Oh.
Abakaba, what is it? Oh, no. No, Abakaba, what is it? Is it that particles of madness is not developing in you, or that you are fully mad? Why are you running after me?
Oh, no, I see you running, and that is why I had to follow you because I thought there was danger.
Okay. This is not the best time for us to be having any discussion. Just go back to your house.
Yeah. And that is exactly why I stopped you. Huh? I really want to know what Onowu and the Queen are about to do. What? Because this land will be filled with...
Listen. This should be the very last time I will be hearing you saying this. Don't try this again. Just go back to your house and assume that you did not know, you did not see anything. Just go back.
I said you go back! Oh no, but I need to know. Huh? I need to... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Hey. 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 This man, Onowu and the Queen.
I am hungry. Wanyanya Nasa is hungry. You killed my son.
I did not kill him. So he died?
Why is my husband lying on the floor? Papa? Nai.
Papa?
Nai.
Mama, wait, don't touch him. Mama, don't touch him, don't touch him.
Why?
Hey! Mama, Papa is dead though. He's not breathing. Papa is not breathing. Papa!
No, this is not happening.
Papa, wake up! Papa, wake up now! Papa, wake up! Papa, why are you doing this now? Papa, wake up! Papa, what happened to you?
This is happening. Cheta.
Papa.
is not true. This is not true. What has happened to my lovely husband? Hey, Cheta, so I'm not a widow. Papa, wake up now. Papa, wake up now. Papa, wake up. Papa, wake up. I'm not a widow. No. I can't be a widow. Cheta, wait. Cheta, this is not my husband. This is my husband. This is not my husband. I can't believe I'm not a widow, Cheta. Papa, wake up. 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 Papa, I'm pregnant. Papa, wake up. Papa, wake up. Papa, you could never wait. You could not even wait to see my unborn child. Now you wake up. Papa, I'm pregnant. Papa, I'm pregnant. Don't leave this to me. Mama, don't touch you. Mama, so I'm not a widow. Mama, stand up. Mama, stand up. Let's go. Let's go. Mama, let's go. Mama, don't touch me. Let's go.
There is peace now. Go and tell the rest. You all should return back to Akama Kingdom. Go.
What do you think? Odumegu have assured us. Let us just go home and tell our husbands. Let us go.
Beautiful maiden of my kingdom, I would like to grace your household with my presence. Where is your father?
My father is fast asleep and he cannot see you. Please leave.
Do you know I'm the next king of this kingdom? Or you don't know? I think she don't know.
They just returned.
You're a beautiful maiden, and I would want to keep you in my palace as a special maiden that will always grace my chambers. I love your body, and I would like to... Let me just touch it, okay? Oh! Wait. Wait. Do you know it's an abomination to hold the prince of this kingdom like this? You want to kill the prince of this kingdom? It's an abomination! Hey!
And do you know it's an abomination to speak of a maiden in such manners?
Oh, sorry. Sorry for... Hey! It's an abomination. You want to kill...
What are you doing? Listen, with due respect, Onochie, leave my hut and never come back. My father will never see you. I do not want to see you.
It's an abomination. Come on.
My prince.
Where is she? What are you cutting?
My prince. I don't know what happened.
That girl almost killed me.
I got confused as I was cutting. The more I cut, the more I get confused. I don't know, my prince.
That girl almost killed me. She don't know I'm the king of this kingdom. I'm the next king.
My prince. Have you forgotten she's daughter of the native doctor? ADEMOYE.
Hey.
Yes, oh.
No wonder she has so much power. Because of the goat and the chicken she has been eating.
Yes, sir.
Once I become the king of this kingdom, I will deal with her. That girl Choi talk boom. She want to kill me.
My prince.
Yeah?
Which of the Aji? Is it this one or this one? Which of the Aji?
Anyone. I will start from here.
My prince,
I will remove this one first.
This one is much better, my prince.
Amara, you want to kill me? It's an abomination. Let me be the king first, and you will see what will happen. You will stop working with me very soon. Sorry, I will remove all the Aji in her body.
This one.
Amara wants to kill me.
Sorry,
How did he find you?
He trained me himself, and I was his most trusted backsman. The queen knows of this, and I believe that is why she kept me alive.
So he knows we are here?
He has no warriors on his side. Go tell the queen to give her orders. I must make the move now and join others. Go.
I do not even trust the air that I breathe.
Feeble-hearted men fall by the wayside because of test. Real men step on the test to be tested till the end of the test. They stand the test of time.
I have fought the brave and immortals. You schemers. Deviations are preparations. It's a step to your grave. When the beats of the music becomes higher, the dancer dances his best because the music is about to end. You cannot have Akama Kingdom. I am the game changer. You cannot have Akama Kingdom. Yes, I have spoken.
My prince. I'm not sure you're a man with super strength. Did you hear them?
Yes.
She is pregnant. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. Carry my child. Carry my child. Carry my child.
Long live my prince.
3 children at the same time. Hello! I'm not sure is a man with super strength. I am not a weakling.
My prince.
Why are you crying?
My prince, my husband. My husband. My father is dead.
What?
He died without seeing the child in my womb. Your child, my prince.
Wait, my child is in your womb?
Yes.
You have my child?
Yes, my prince.
Wow, this is good. Beautiful. You have my child. You have my child. You have my child. You have my child. 4 children at the same time.
Where is
the
queen?
The gods are wise.
Where is the queen? My husband's body was eaten by an unknown sickness. He was so start to decay. We need to bury him.
Your husband died of sickness? Now look, I told him what he was doing was an abomination.
Arrow.
Beating the prince.
Arrow.
Now look, it is the gods that did that to him. It's the gods. How can you be beating the prince with your eyes? And so you have my child. You have my child. You have my child. You have my 4 children at the same time. Onochie is the greatest.
You're pregnant for him too. Onochie, what did you say?
All of you have my child.
What did I just hear you say? Mama, did you hear him? Yes. The 3 of us are with his child. Is it not so, my prince?
All of you are having my children. The gods are wise.
My prince, once the queen comes back, we'll tell her the good news. Yes. And whoever is not comfortable with it should leave.
Are you referring to? All of you
are you talking to me? Are you referring to me?
Is your name not Cheta? Or did she change it to leave us as a name?
Oh.
Hey! Is it not your name?
You're still talking. You're still talking.
Hold on.
This is not happening.
Akama Kingdom is in my palms. You escaped with her. But you came back to challenge me. Akama Kingdom is in my palms. Put that knife on her neck. I decide who lives and who dies. I will not kill you. And I will not kill you too. Because I will use you to bring him to me. Then I'll remove his head. You will see your protector dead. One move, your head is chopped off from your neck. So you're turning your head up and down. It means your neck will be without head. Move them.
Don't stand.
Move him, Alice. That will bring him.
Move it.
Alice. Move him. He's here. The time we have been waiting for is here. He's here, flesh and blood. Do not be afraid. Face him.
No! No! Do not kill me! Do not kill me! Do not kill me! Kill me! Ah!
My prince, wake up! My prince, wake up! My prince, wake up now! Wake up now! Please wake up!
Today you shall fall by my sword. Get him down! Stop!
Is there anyone amongst you? I am Odumegu. Obunike Ndilo. I am a nightmare to those that do not want peace to reign in this kingdom. Any of you that wishes death should break the rules of this kingdom. Ikenga! I am through with my mission. The rest is left for the gods.
Look at you.
Odumegu, you are a true son of your father. Obunike Ndilo. Obunike Ndilo.
It's all over. There is peace now in this kingdom.
There is peace.
There is peace. Come, everybody. Come. Let's go to the village square.
n'obodo. Hey. How long do you wish to cover your evil? Oh, yo. You move with pride, wanting everyone under your feet. Oh. You don't mind to take a life. Oh. All because of power. Ah, Onyaru neme na nkiti yo. It doesn't matter how long your evil will last. Oh. It doesn't matter how long you keep people in the dark. Oh. A time shall come, a day shall come, oh, when your evil will come to light. You have to pay for all you've done. Oh.